Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In today's video, we are going to solve one very interesting and challenging question from AIME. We have two polynomials P and Q. Given that A, B, C and D are the roots of Qx equal to 0, then we have to evaluate PA plus PB plus PC plus PD. So let's get started by writing here if we have one polynomial n and another polynomial d. So we are dividing n by d. So I can write here n divided by d. If suppose our quotient is q with remainder r, so I can write dividend n must be equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. This is something which we know. Now we have to apply. Let's apply. I will divide px by qx. So I will write here px over qx. So I need to write divisor first. So I will write x power 4 minus x cube minus x square minus 1. This is our divisor. Now we have to write dividend, which is our px. So I can write here x power 6 minus x power 5 minus x cube minus x square minus x. I will take x square times x power 4 times x square is x power 6 minus x cube times x square minus x power 5 minus x square times x square minus x power 4 and minus 1 times x square minus x square. Sign change will be there. We will write plus, plus, plus. So these three terms will be over. We are going to write x power 4 minus x cube minus x. Again degree is same. We will take 1 times plus 1 times. So x power 4 times 1 is x power 4 minus x cube times 1 minus x cube minus x square times 1 minus x square and minus 1 times 1 minus 1. We will change the sign minus plus plus plus. These two terms will be over. We are going to write our remainder x square minus x plus 1. So here we have remainder r. Here we have quotient q. This is our qx. So if I will write in terms of q and p, then we can write dividend as px. Now I can write px equal to qx into this quotient q plus remainder r. Let me write. So I will write px equal to qx times quotient q plus remainder r. Let's put the value, or we can write px equal to q times qx. Quotient was x square plus 1. This was our quotient q. And qx is x power 4 minus x cube. Here it is minus x square minus 1. Remainder was x square minus x plus 1. Now we know that qx, the quartic equation, if we will put equal to 0, this expression equal to 0, then we will be getting a, b, c, d. These are the roots of the quartic equation. So once we will calculate PA by plugging x equal to a, this whole term is going to 0, as a, b, c, d are the roots of quartic equation. So I can write PA equal to 0 plus a square minus a plus 1. Similarly, PB will be, by plugging x equal to b, we will be getting 0 plus b square minus b plus 1. PC will be equal to 0 plus c square minus c plus 1, and we will get PD equal to 0 plus d square minus d plus 1. Now we have to add all the four equations to find out our required expression PA plus PB plus PC plus BD. So we can write here required expression if suppose this is E. Let me write here, this is E. So LHS will be our required expression PA plus PB plus PC plus PD equal to E, and RHS will be A square plus B square plus C square plus D square minus A plus B plus C plus D in the bracket, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, we can write 4. So required expression is, let me write here, required expression E equal to PA plus PB plus PC plus PD. This will be equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus D square minus A plus B plus C plus D. Then we have plus 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. So our target is to evaluate A square plus B square plus C square plus D square and A plus B plus C plus D. So we will write here Qx equal to 0 equation first. So I can write x power 4 minus x cube minus x square minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use Vieta's method. So I can write if roots of this quartic equation are a, b, c, d, we can write sum of roots a plus b plus c plus d. This will be equal to minus of coefficient of x cube over coefficient of x power 4. So we'll write minus of minus 1 over 1. Value will be equal to 1. So this is okay. Now our target is to find out a square plus b square plus c square plus d square. So let me write sum of roots taken 2 at a time. So ab plus ac plus ad plus bc plus bd plus cd. This will be equal to coefficient of x square over coefficient of x power 4. So we can write minus 1 over 1, value will be negative 1. But this is not a square plus b square plus c square plus d square. So we will use algebraic identity. Let me write here a plus b plus c plus d whole square formula. It is similar as a plus b plus c whole square. Now we will write a square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus 2 times the combination of two roots. So I need to write here 6 ab plus ac plus ad plus bc plus bd plus cd. This is the formula for a plus b plus c plus d whole square. Now our target is to find out this. Left hand side will be, here we will write 1 square, and this bracket we will write minus 1. So let me write here 1 square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus 2 times minus 1. Or we can write 1 equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus d square minus 2. Now we will add 2 to both sides. Let's add. So minus 2 plus 2 will be over from RHS, and we are going to get a square plus b square plus c square plus d square 3. So our major task is done. Now we have to only evaluate our required expression E. Let me write here, E will be equal to PA plus PB plus PC plus PD. We will write here A square plus B square plus C square plus D square minus A plus B plus C plus D plus 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now we have to plug in values. So A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Here we can write 3 minus A plus B plus C plus D 1. Then we have 4. So we can write 7 minus 1. Our required answer, if I will write here, PA plus PB plus PC plus PD will be equal to 7 minus 1, 6. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.